Alright guys, I think we have already got everything we need for the preparation, and I think we can get started. And if you think this font is too small here, I'm going to share with you guys a few tricks. First, you should click open the preferences, and we can change the scale of the interface. So let me just show that for you. Okay, if the interface resolution scale is too small, you can pretty much make that a little bigger, so you guys can see it clear. But I'm not going to make that too big, so you can see every word clearly. If you make that too big, this word won't show everything. Okay, so I think I'm going to make that maybe 1.3. I think this good. Of course, as the advanced tutorial, I'm going to use the Python to automatically change lots of objects, and it will become useful when you are working with some big project like animation or some physics modeling. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that, and I think we have already got the add-on. I think screencast is on. Okay, screencast. Okay, screencast keys is on, and you can press N, and you will see the screencast key here, and you just click it, and it's here. Okay, so let's just click that on, and shadow background. Let me add a little bit shadow and background. Show list operator. Of course, we want to show that. Set origin, font size. Okay, I think I pretty much got everything that we need. And in order for you guys to see it clearly, I add a little background. Okay, I can make that background disappear, but I'm going to leave that. Just maybe make that a little something like this. Maybe just leave that black. Okay, and I want to make that a little bigger. The text, I want that to be a little bigger too. Let's just see, left, done, repeat count, font size and mouse size. Okay, and let's see, Alt. Alright, okay, I think that's pretty much what we should do before we start our tutorial. Okay, so I think pretty much we have finished the preparation, and then we are going to teach you how to move in these environments, and I think we don't need to memorize all the shortcuts at the first lecture. Okay, I think you just get the basic idea of how to move around in this environment, and we will pick up the shortcut along the way. Okay, I will introduce the shortcuts during this actual project. So we'll begin with a very simple project, and I think it will give you a positive incentive that you can keep on learning. Okay, so and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.